Hello YouTube. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on how to fix a broken cup holder slide on a 06 Acura TL. And apparently it's a common issue for this thing to break on your cup holder. So I've already repaired this one, so I'm going to kind of show you in reverse, but you can see here this part has come apart from the rest of the thing, and this part right here ends up sliding down in here and you can't get it out. So I'm gonna put a link in the description about how to get this part out of the car. Somebody's already made that video. But what I've come up with is a fix for this. It's not perfect, but it'll save you whatever the cost of buying a new cup holder would be. And again, this is just real quick. Basically just took some black duct tape. Once you get this thing out of the car, there's 3 screws that allow you to take this top. There's 3 screws that you can see here that you can take this top off, and then you can get the slidey piece out. And then I basically just laid it on top of my roll of duct tape. And take your time here and get these lined up perfectly so that when you tape it together and it's back in the slider, you can't even tell. For the most part, this thing will lay flat when you slide it back and forth because of where the brake is at. So you should never even see this. So all that to say, I just, like I said, laid it out here, made sure I got it lined up perfectly. And then I put 1 piece of tape here just to get it held in place, and then I put another piece the full length. And you want to make sure not to get it into the little fingers where it's sliding back and forth, so you don't want to get that gummed up or have anything interfering with that clearance. But once you do that, then you just lay it back in here. Make sure this thing goes back in the groove there. Make sure it slides good. You can see there where the brake is, you won't even be able to tell. All right, and then this piece, I think it's this way. So here's the cutout for the emergency brake, and there's 2 clips right here. Actually, there's a little hole you line up first. Okay, you got that one. And then these 2 little clips kind of lock on. So again, in reverse is what you would do to get this thing off. So those just pop off. And then there's one on the other side, right here. So let me just turn it around so you can see better. All right, so that just snaps in. Okay, and then turn it. Sorry, I keep moving the camera out of the way. So you just flip it over, and we've got our screws here on the bottom side. So there's 1 there, and I think 2 over on this side. So 1 there. See that? And then the 3rd one's over here. Alright, so we'll just tighten those up. Don't over tighten those, they don't need to be tight at all. Oops. Alright, and then the last one. Alright, and that's all there is to it. Again, refer to the video I'm going to put a link to in the comments, and just put it back in the car and you're good to go. $0, except for, I had a roll of duct tape laying around, but you can buy a roll of duct tape for, I don't know, $4 or $5, and then you've still got a whole roll of duct tape. And if you're like me, you already had it laying around the house, there's no cost at all, and literally it took me less than 10 minutes to get this thing out of the car, and it should go in even faster now that I know how to do it. Thanks again. If you like the video, please subscribe and like it, and set it up for alerts so next time I post you'll get a notification. Thanks, have a good day.